Okay, so what's up, guys? I know most of you will read the title of this video, which says what make is it $1,000 changing colors, and most of you will be surprised. How are you going to make $1,000 in just changing colors? Guys, don't worry, because I'm here. I'm going to show you everything from scratch, how I meant or what I meant by make $1,000 by changing the color. I know most of you will be shocked that this boy is coming to lie to us again, because there's no way you're going to make a lot of that money by just changing colors. But guys, don't worry, only stick with this video. I'm going to show you how you'll be able to do with that thing that I said is there, or at the thumbnail, at the thumbnail sales that make this kind of money from this. And guys, before all that, don't worry, I'll show you a bonus tip that you can even make a lot of money if only you are serious. And guys, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon below to find time drop more videos. And guys, when you are here, all that you need, I want you to do is go to a place called Rock Pizza. So when you're on the Rock Pizza, this is the first one. Is what free stock photos. So click on the first one, so you can see on the screen there. And guys, when you click on the first one, to take you to a place like this. Okay, let me just quick. Okay, so this is how the platform looks like. This is the Rock Pizza. So now we just search for something called let me search for something called black. Okay, white and black photo picture. Okay, let's make it white and black. Guys, when you're here, let's search for something like this. Okay, real quick, you click on the search enter, and then take it to pop up a pictures for you. And guys, don't worry, just stick within the video. Let me show you what we are going to do. You can see a lot of pictures which are white and black, so make sure that you click on the public domain. Click on this one. Yeah, what that one means is that one is free to use. That there's nobody that is going to give you a copyright for copying their picture. This one is free, public domain free, something that the public have demanded that anybody can use at all. So you are going to look for a nice picture right here. Let me just go down. Let me just look for a nice one that we are going to use. This is a picture that we are going to change the color of and make a lot of money from it. So just relax, and I'm going to show you how to be able to do all those things. So let me just go scroll. Okay, I think I like this one. No, let me just use. Okay, I think I like the man holding the baby. Okay, let me like that one. So I'll just click on it and click on free download. Guys, as you can see on the screen, it's very free. It's free that you can download. So you just click on the free download and wait for some seconds for it to download. Okay, let me just wait for it. Okay, real quick. Okay, so after waiting for it, okay, you can see it's still loading. Let me real quick. As you can see, that's it right there, download successfully. And guys, that takes us to the next website. That's called what? Colorize.com. This is how it is spelled, as you can see on the screen. That's what colorize.com. So go to www.colorize.com. And guys, on this platform, we are going to change the color. In case we are using, okay, let me just use this example. You can see this photo here is a black and white photo. Let me just bring this black photo. Now this website will help us to color it. Okay, change the color or make it a color. And this website here is going to do for us. And we are going to sell this for free. Make a lot of money from doing this. Yeah, that's what we are going to do. So we are going to upload let me just bring it to you real quick. Okay, as you can see here, they say drag photos here, or you can even click on it to upload the photos. So I'm going to click on it. I'm going to upload the photo that we want to download on the first website. Upload it here, and this site here is going to help us to generate a color for it. As you can see, I have just selected it and it's still uploading. And guys, it takes less than 2 minutes to complete everything. So I'm just going to wait for it to complete everything. And guys, when you think that what I'm doing here, you found a value on me doing this thing to you, guys, go ahead and click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon below to and drop more video. So remember, the first website here, come and download the picture here. Look for a picture. It's very nice. Go ahead, look for a picture. They are very nice. Download it. Then download it. Make sure that you come to the next website, which is colorize.com, and you see as you can see. So the picture that I have done white and black, it have automatically generate a color for us, which will look very nice. And all that we need to do once again is just click on the download button. So when you click on the button, you have it downloaded on our PC, our phone, or whatever you're using. And guys, when you're done, I'm going to show you the third WhatsApp that you're going to use. And guys, we're just looking for a way to make more money, so I'm just going to show you the third WhatsApp that we're going to use to make this picture very nice, and we're going to leave a lot of more money. So I think that all this I'm doing here, your fun value is, guys, why not go ahead, click on smash the like button, subscribe, and click on the bell icon below to find I drop more videos. And guys, I drop video about how to make money on daily basis, or even twice a week. I drop video about how to make money online. So guys, just go ahead, check out my new videos, check out you can even check out my Instagram account by shapirasi.com. So without much I say, let's just go quickly. So whilst we are here, this takes us to the third website that I called background remover. As you can see, you go for the first one, which says background remover. Guys, so you go for the first one here, as you can see on the screen. So the first one, which is background remover from image, which is remove.bg. Okay, so you click on it, guys. When you click on it, it takes you to a page that look like this. So very quick, okay, like this. Okay, so guys, when we are here, what we are going to do here is that we are going to remove the background of the picture that we have changed the color color of it. And guys, let me just go quick and let me see how this one look like real quick. Let me go down. Okay guys, as you can see this baby here, let me just bring this one here. Okay, so you can see this baby here sleeping in let's say on a bed. Okay, so now all this thing this app will do is for us is that we are going to remove the background of the baby. You can see, so we have successfully removed the background. Yeah, that's what we are going to do using this app. So we are going to remove the background of the picture that we have changed its color to be a colored picture. So let me just go, you just click on the upload for you to upload the picture. So let me just click on upload real quick. Okay, so I'm waiting for you to load. So after you have successfully load, what I need to do is that I'll just go ahead and upload the picture. Okay, real quick. Okay, as you can see, so okay, as you can see, they have successfully changed the background of I've removed the background of the photo. So this is the photo you're going to see. And guys, this photo here right there, you can see on the screen, or you're seeing on the screen, can cost us like $5. This thing you're seeing on the screen here, you can get about $5 from just the photo like this. So just click on download and it successfully download on your laptop. So when you finish downloading on your laptop, and guys, don't worry, let me just show you how it will look like with that background. So okay, you can see on the screen here, this is how it will look like with that background. So I want you to do something like this. And guys, this takes us to the website that you're going to sell it and make a lot of money. That's what Fiverr.com. Guys, I know most of you will hear about Fiverr if only you are my subscribers from the one, because I have a video about how to create a gig on Fiverr and how you can go ahead make money on Fiverr. So if you are my subscriber in the one, you know much about Fiverr. So what they are going to do here is that they're going to sell the picture, or that all that I showed you that we did in the video earlier. They're going to sell it here and make a lot of money here. So don't worry, I'm going to show you how you'll be able to sell it here and make a lot of money from here. Okay, so when you're here, you're just going to type something like colored. Let me just show you something real quick. So colorized photos, and now okay, white and black photos real quick. So guys, when you search for something like this, it will take you to a page like this. And guys, you can see there are a lot of gigs people have here, and they're selling this one is selling this one for $5, and this one is I will colorize for black and white photos. Okay, so the second one also is saying I will clean up your mirror what on $5. This one to $5. Let me scroll down. Guys, you can see a lot of people all that I showed you at the beginning, that you do this and get this kind of results. People are just doing that and like it's a lot of money here. $5. People even sell it at $20, $15 and $20. So guys, you can make a lot of money here if only you are serious. As I said at the beginning, if only you are serious, you can make a lot of money here. You can see this one is selling this as at $5. It's I've sold about 5 times. So 5 times is almost 25 times. So these guys, people make a lot of money here. So you can also make the same amount of money that people are making here by creating a gig on Fiverr. And guys, if you don't know how to create a gig on Fiverr, I have a video about how to create a gig on Fiverr. So just go to my YouTube channel, top and come here, type in something like gig, something like Fiverr. Gig on Fiverr. Okay, let's type something like gig on Fiverr Shapiro acid. And guys, after typing this, you are going to get a video that I have made a year ago about how to create a gig on Fiverr. Or you can still scroll down, come to my channel, scroll down. Let me just scroll down. Let me show you the video. So just go quick and let me just scroll down. Let me find the video that I'm talking about, and I think it should be somewhere around here. Okay guys, I've found it. So this is a video I'm talking about. Last year I created this video 1 year ago. Yes, a year ago. So it's like it's a video about how to create a gig on Fiverr. So go ahead and I'll even link the link to this video in the description box below, how to create a gig on Fiverr. Okay, so guys, when you're here, you can see a lot of people are making a lot of money here, as you can see on the screen here. Let me just scroll down. You can see people are just changing the colors, removing background. I've even showed you all how you'll be able to do it for free. As you can see, I showed you everything, and we just did everything without paying even a kobo. We didn't pay any amount of money. So people are using that to make a lot of money here, as you can see on the screen. We'll go ahead, try and get an account on Fiverr. Try and also create a gig on Fiverr like this, and guys, you are going to make a lot of money. And this is like an income. So when you click on become a seller at the top there. So after clicking on become a seller, they pop up menu for you to click on the sign up. So let me just show you something real quick. Okay, like I said, we have for every a gig is bought for 4 seconds. You can say a gig is bought for 4 seconds, and they have over 50 million transactions made. And a gig is ranging from $5 to $10,000. You can say these are the best designers on Fiverr right now. This one said I'm a designer. This one say I'm a developer. This one say I'm a writer. This one say I'm a video editor. So they have a lot of works. They are doing a lot of. Let me just scroll down quickly. This one say I'm a musician. This one say they have a lot of works doing here. So when you're here, the only thing you need to do is click on become a seller. So when you click on become a seller, and demand for your email address, and guys, you go ahead. So let me just give you a bonus tip, which is the people per worker, as you can see on the screen here. This is another website that you can come in here, create a gig about it, create a gig here, and also sell the pictures that I've shown you how to do. Sell it here and make a lot of money. So guys, see you in my next video. I'm done for this one. I'm out.